Welcome to our seatwork lesson. Students watching, we are excited about the worksheets we have to do today. We're going to begin with the front of our arithmetic worksheet. After that, we're going to work on the back side of both our letters and sounds and language worksheets, and then comes some fun. We're going to do the back of our Bible Friends activity paper. When we're done coloring those pictures, it is going to be time for us to do some work on our writing tablet. Today, we're going to write some consonants and some blends, and here's our challenge. How neatly do you write on this tablet paper? Are you having good slant in your writing? Are you touching every line? Let's see if we can make this the neatest writing tablet paper you have done. After that, I want you to look at some pictures of zoo animals, and then it's your turn to be the illustrator. I want you to draw me a picture of two zoo animals, and then at the end, you get to read a good book. Let's look together at our worksheets so we can do them just right. What is the first thing you're going to write at the top of your arithmetic paper, students watching? And Willow already knows. What is it, Willow?
Your name.
Yes, now, do you think that we're just going to put our name down really quickly as fast as we can, Kyle?
No.
No, we're not. Let's take our time with everything. Remember, our focus today is neatness. Put your finger right at number 1. Number 1 says to write the number that is 1 more. Look at that first number, and students watching, tell me what goes in the red box. What goes in the red box, Xavier?
4.
4 does, because 4 is 1 more than 3. It's the next number I count. Do the rest of our numbers next to that. Go underneath the red line, and number 2 says to write the number for the number word. Notice underneath the box is the number word, but if you get a little bit stuck, we have some dots that you could count, but try to read just the number word to get the answer. Under that red line, number 3 says we need to write the numbers. We're going to work on counting going across. And number 4 is a challenge. Number 4 says write the sums. See if you can get all of these addition combinations correct. Take your arithmetic paper and put it underneath at the bottom of your stack. I like this letters and sounds paper. It's got my favorite animal on it. Put your finger right at number 1. Now, boys and girls in this classroom and students watching, smile if you know what my favorite animal is. I see your smiles, students watching. I've got a lot of smiles in here. Hannah A., what's my favorite animal?
A dog.
A dog. Put your finger on the dog. Give him a smile. Now go back to the directions. Let's find out how we're going to use these pictures. Number 1 says mark the circle under the beginning sound. Now they did the first one for us, but let's check their work. What is this a picture of, Isaiah?
A monkey.
Be a little bit louder.
Monkey.
A monkey is correct. And what is the beginning sound for monkey, students watching? And Kira, what did they mark? M, and notice how neatly they filled in the circle. Remember, our focus today, it's neatness. You will do the rest of those animals by yourself. Go to number 2. Number 2 says to write the missing vowel. For all of these pictures, find that vowel that's missing. Let's remember our vowels. Jed, share them with us.
A-E-I-O-U.
I heard them, but the students watching couldn't hear them.
A-E-I-O-U.
That's correct, and we'll choose one of those vowels to go in the middle of these words. Down at the bottom, number 3 says match the blend with the word, but notice this part of the directions. It says mark the vowels. So for all of these blends in these words, I want us to mark those vowels. How many vowels are in these words, Jaden L? How many vowels? Louder. So how are we going to mark those vowels, students watching? How are we going to mark them, Leah? With a
smile.
And I hope a smile's on your face right now. Take this paper, put it underneath. Let's look now at our language paper. Our language paper has just one set of instructions, so put your finger right on those directions. Here's what we're going to do on this paper. It says fill in the missing vowel, and then in your head, I want you to read this sentence. So carefully finish all of these sentences on the paper. Take this paper and put it underneath. I like this Bible Friends paper. It says to draw a line to match the girl's eyes, ears, lips, and hands to some things they may do as she grows in Christ. And then you get to color the picture. When you are done coloring that neatly, put this paper underneath. We have a chance to work on writing tablet paper. Remember, we are going to take that writing tablet paper and we are going to neatly write our columns with our letters and our blends.